Hello, people. So guess what we made? Elephant toothpaste.
It is the most awesome thing ever. Elephants brush their teeth with it. It's so
Okay. Elephant toothpaste. I'm gonna stick my hand in it. Colin, hold the camera towards my hand. Hold it towards my hand. Okay. All right, just hold it like that. I'm gonna stick my hands in it. Oh my God! Look at this. That, you guys. This, you guys,
is elephant
toothpaste. In the video.
Okay, Sissy, get your hand out. You're wasting it.
So yeah, it's elephant toothpaste. Bye, guys.